in this tutorial, we'll be learning multiple linear regression using the Python programming language. Now, first we need to import the NumPy and sklearn as usual. Then we import the sklearn. So from sklearn dot linear model, import what? Linear regression. Then we run our code. So let's create our data set. Let's say x equals so 34. Let's add let's create data for y. Now x y equals to what? np dot array. np dot array for y. So we did np dot array for x, np dot array for y. Now, in multiple linear regression, x is a two-dimensional array with at least two columns. Can you see that? Two columns. So this 0 is for the first column, while this 1 is for the second column. Can you see? This 5 is for the first column, while this 1 is for the second column. Can you see? And so on like that. Then why the y we only have one column. Now let's print this to see. Let's print for x. Can you see? Two columns. This for the first column, which is 0, 5, 15, 25, and so. Y for the second column, 1, 1, 2. Can you see that? So let's print for y. Can you see that? So now let's print our model. Model linear regression. Let's fit x and y. Run our code. So somewhere. Here we already fitted our model. Now let's calculate our coefficient of determination, which is the r square. So create a new variable r underscore sq model dot score x and y. So we want the output to be like this. Coefficient of determination. Can you see? Our r square, which is the coefficient of determination, is what? 0.86. Let's calculate our slope and intercept, which is the same as beta naught and beta 1. model dot intercept underscore. Let's calculate the slope. Run our code. And you see these are intercept and slope. Now let's predict the response. So create a new variable y pred. You can use any name for your variable. For this tutorial, I'll be using the y pred, y underscore pred. So model dot predict x. So we want the outputs to be written in this format. You can as well change this to predicted or predicted response. You can add anything you want. It won't affect the code. So y pred. But here you can't change the name because we already created the variable here, which is what y pred. So we what? Put it here again. So we are calling the variable here y pred again. Let's run our code. Can you see these are the predicted response. The last part of this tutorial is the what? The advanced linear regression with stats model. We can implement linear regression in Python relatively easily by using the package stats model as well. Now let's import the package. Import stats models dot API as SM. For that x, for our x column, for our x variable here, we need to add constant. So to do that, x is equals to what? Sm dot add constant. We need to add constant to it. Constant x. So that's how you add the column of ones to x with this add constant function. So now let's print our x and see. Can you see? We already added ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Can you see? But here, only 0 and 1. Can you see the difference now? Now, let's create a model and fit it. The regression model based on ordinary least square is an instance of the class start model. This is how you can obtain one. So model equals to what? Sm dot OLS. OLS means what? Ordinary least square. So here we need to be careful. We are starting from y and x. But from the previous tutorial, we'll be using x and y. But for this OLS, we'll be using y first. We have to be careful here. Y first, followed by x. Let's run our code using the Alt and the Enter key. So once our model is created, we can apply fit on it. So result, create a new variable, result, model.fit. Fitted our model. Now let's predict. And let's print our result. Now let's print it. Can you see? Look at the output. It shows the time. Can you see? 17th of December 2021. Can you see? We use ordinary least square. So this will show the. Can you see that? Can you see that? Thank you.